Hi everyone, I'm Natalia Baixeras. I'm a real estate broker based out of Miami, Florida. A topic that's been getting a lot of attraction lately, a lot of calls that I've been getting have had to do with Airbnbs. So there's a short answer, yes, Airbnbs make you easily 2 times more than you're gonna make with a tenant renting it annually, which is great. A lot of people wanna come to Miami because Miami has thousands of tourists that come in every year. The favorite spot, the best spot to go is Miami Beach. Miami Beach has the restaurants, it has the nightlife, it has the partying, it has the beach. So that is ideal to have an Airbnb. The only thing is the city of Miami Beach has a ton of rules and regulations that they have put in place because of all the complaints that they've been getting from residents that live there. So diving into the rules and regulations about Miami Beach. So the city of Miami Beach is different from unincorporated Miami-Dade. City of Miami Beach is where you'll get the most tourists and where you'll probably have the highest return on Airbnb if you're able to get an Airbnb there. So we had a lot of the people that lived in condo towers, which Miami Beach is filled, especially the touristy section. You're gonna have a ton of high rises, not that many single families. You'll find them farther back, but not on the water. So a lot of the condo residents were complaining that they didn't want their condo to feel like a hotel. So what they did is they have a zoning map now, and you can find it at the City of Miami Beach. And there they show all of the City of Miami Beach, and they have it colored in where they allow short-term rentals. By definition, short-term rentals are going to be anything less than 6 months. Anything 6 months and a day is going to be considered long-term. So when you're looking for a place that allows Airbnb, typically what you're going to find is either Airbnb or they're going to say that they allow daily rentals. Again, someone can Airbnb for 6 months, but it's not the norm. A lot of people are going to Airbnb. Maybe you'll get a minimum a week, 2 weeks, maybe even a month. But for someone to do an Airbnb for over 6 months, it's not extremely common. Again, that you can get in the City of Miami Beach website. I'm also going to attach it in the description so you can click on it and take a look. Here you're going to see exactly where they outline the places where you can have it, where you can't have it. On top of the zoning regulations that they have, let's say you find a place that is in the zoning map in an area where you are allowed to have Airbnb. Now you have to make sure that the association allows daily rentals or Airbnbs. That is going to be very difficult to find as well. So you might find on the zoning map that this high rise or this condo building allows for Airbnb based off of the city. But now you have to get it approved and make sure that the HOA allows it, which I would say about 85 to 90% do not allow daily rentals for that reason. A good alternative that has been coming up a lot, especially in those areas of Brickell, Miami Beach, Edgewater, they're starting to build a lot of, they're called condo hotels. And the purpose for them is specifically that. There's even an Airbnb tower that is being built. So condo hotels are made to feel exactly like what it sounds like. They're condos, technically you can buy them, you can live there if you want to, but it's also kind of a hotel, which allows Airbnb. The downside to that is that because it is kind of a loophole into City of Miami Beach and they allow the Airbnbs there, they are very expensive. They're gonna be way more expensive than buying a regular condo in a high rise, on the beach, so on and so forth. They're going to be extremely pricey. And to top it off, you're gonna have an HOA that is very expensive. You're gonna have a ton of the amenities, which is great, but all of City of Miami Beach with their 40-year certifications that these buildings are undergoing have a ton of assessments happening right now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe. I'm gonna be coming out with a lot more videos of the Miami market, not just City of Miami Beach. I did this one specifically because I get asked for a lot of Airbnbs in that area. Just Miami in general, the Miami market is so unique and so diverse. It's changing every single day. So I'm gonna start coming out with a lot more videos of questions that I get asked by realtors and by buyers and sellers. So subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys soon.